This is Adam Sandman here. We at Inflectra are trying to solve an important problem we've had in the company. We have a big problem right now with intergenerational communication. I mean, when our company was founded, a lot of the people working here are from the Gen X generation, and we have a lot of employees now who are Gen Z. And when we're writing software requirements and figuring out how to specify how a system's going to work, we are finding there's been a translation gap between our original employees who have been here for a while and some of the younger folks who've joined the team. So to try and make that communication more seamless and improve the communication and flow of information, we've developed a new application that helps you take your requirements that are written in whatever language they are today and translates them in real time into a more acceptable and easier to understand format for Generation Z and those workers who may be new to your organization. So let's go see it in action. It's really exciting. Okay, let's see it in action. And just to mention, we are using the power of AWS Bedrock to make this possible. So let's say we've got a software requirement. And it might be something very simple like, I want to be able to book a hotel room in a major city. And that might be our requirement. And we're going to save that. And now we need to translate that so we can give it to our Gen Z team members to implement. So we're going to use the rewrite option. It's built in as a plugin to the SpiraApp platform. And it uses the large language model. And it goes out. And look at that. It's Gen Z for us. Yo, listen up, ma'am. You want to be able to book a hotel room in a major city, right? That's lit. Imagine rolling up to the city, ready to slay, and having a 6-spot to crash. This is great. It's perfect. When we've gone on conference travel with our different generations together, we've often had some language clashes we've had to figure out. Things like, what does rizz mean? What is slaps? What's drip? This does it all for you. With Spira now and the new translation app, you can take a language, a requirement written in natural language, and it will turn it in real time into Gen Z. And you can see that. No need for all the extra fluff you dig. Or the best part, you got to be able to find the sick deal like discounts and stuff. See, it's even thinking about some of the functionality for that requirement around discounting. And, we're broke teenagers. We ain't got that kind of cash to be splurging on hotels. So that's the tea, fam. Hook us up with an app that's hell easy to use, super flexible, and won't break the bank. So what's really good here is it's actually taking that requirement and adding attributes, qualities, tell you how the usability could be for different users. So it's great. And of course, we want this app to be really usable by lots of people. So therefore, we want none of that boomer tech stuff. Absolutely. Let's try another example. Let's say I want to be able to migrate my databases from SQL Server to Aurora. Maybe I'm doing a modernization project. So let's try one of those. Let's see, how would that be in Gen Z? Let's give it a shot. Oh, look at that. I'm going to tell you, I want to move my database from SQL Server to this Amazon Aurora thing. You feel me? It's got to be super easy to do. I don't want any of the extra complicated stuff, just a smooth transition, Be fleek, no mid-tier response, just straight fire, no cap, let's make it happen. And the great thing with AI, of course, is you can ask it to refine its answer. Don't like the way it's been done? Just generate it a second time and you'll get a different version. So the great thing is you can try different versions to see what works best with your team and then give that feedback. So this is great. In fact, I can say this application is going to be super clutch. It's going to really make it easy for our teams to collaborate together. And we just made it happen. And we got this, and you got this too. Thanks for watching today. This functionality is going to streamline your team's interactions. I think you can love it as much as I do.